wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best wood fillers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Far removed from an elementary school glue stick, Elmer's E855 is a versatile choice that comes in 6 shades, making color matching simple. Like most of their products, it's easy to apply as well as to clean up. It resists shrinking and cracking and costs just a few dollars. However, note that it's not intended for structural support. At number 9, from a household name in adhesives, the JB Weld Kwikwood can patch up screw holes in a finished veneer just as well as it can restore stability to a loose table leg. It's a 2-part epoxy that mixes easily in the tips of your fingers and sets in under 30 minutes. It cures fully in just an hour and contains no solvents, but it must be painted in most cases. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Imported directly from Australia, Timbermate AWH25 is a water-based putty that adds volume to pitted or rotten timber and leaves a sandable and paintable surface behind. Since it's water-soluble, it should only be used for indoor purposes. It can be custom tinted and won't dry out in the can. However, it requires a top coat. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood fillers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, RTG2522 is a good option if you're repairing long beams where decay has set in and support is needed. Best of all, it can be used on decks because the cured product is water resistant whether or not you apply a hydrophobic finish. It comes as a 2-quart kit and blends nicely with some sanding, but it's not very spreadable. Moving up our list to number 6, the goodfilla filla-in-a-bag takes a novel approach to lumber reinforcement by shipping as a powder that you activate with water. This minimizes waste and gives it a virtually unlimited shelf life because exposure to air will not solidify the compounds. It allows for consistency adjustments and is available for ebony and mahogany. However, be aware that it can differ from the color on the package. Halfway up our list at number 5. For as long as it's been around, the abatron woodepox has been the go-to choice for professional woodworkers and contractors. It's often used alongside the company's liquid wood hardener to restore volume and integrity to aging structures. This is a 2-part epoxy compound that won't shrink while curing. It works well with softwoods. At number 4, PC Woody 8338 is a non-solvent 2-part paste, which means that it can be used indoors or outdoors without worrying that it'll contract or dissolve in the rain. When it cures, the color matches beautifully with a variety of wood shades. It also resists ultraviolet damage and is stronger than the original medium. It's made with real wood. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Famowood 36021108 has a very smooth texture, which allows it to form and squeeze into the crevices of uneven holes. It's great on cedar cabinets, particularly if you won't be applying a transparent oil or lacquer finish. No mixing is needed and it dries in minutes. It's perfect for coastal redwood. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood fillers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, minwax 216000000 is a trusted solution for cracks in high-end furniture and worn-down moldings. It's particularly easy to use because it's ready for sanding in just half an hour, and once cured it's firm enough to be carved, planed, or screwed into. It works great with minwax hardener and is great for weather-exposed lumber. It's made in the USA. And coming in at number 1 on our list. With a bit of standard paint thinner, you can adjust the consistency of damp plastic wood to meet your specific needs. It can be applied to any clean surface and once cured can be sanded and stained to match whatever you're repairing. It applies easily with a palette knife and is stronger than wood after curing. It's compatible with all types of sealant. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wood fillers, or simply click beneath this video.